Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon. My name is Osman Abdul Rahman. I would like to share with you about my article. Title is The Development of Transformational Leadership Module based on Social Audit conducted in Malaysia. Social audit involves the process of measuring, reporting, understanding, and improving the social ability of the society. Research was conducted with the aim to develop the Tuan Guru Haji Muhammad Yassin Transformational Leadership Module based on social audit performed in Paguh Parliament, Johor. Tuan Guru Haji Muhammad Yassin was a renowned scholar that has given significant contribution in the development of Islamic education in Johor and Malacca between 1950 and 1975. He was established Madrasah As-Sa'adah Arabic Stream and Muhammad Yassin Secondary School. The leadership of Tuan Guru is evident through his effort to convey the teaching of Islam to the nation and aim to change the mindset of the Malays to be educated in combating underdevelopment. Based on open and rational thinking, Tuan Guru balanced the interests of secular and religious knowledge through a sympathizing approach in social life through the delivery of religious knowledge based on Al-Quran and Al-Hadith and the ideology of As-Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Osman et al. 2016 found that Tuan Guru Haji Muhammad Yassin's transformational leadership is in the high range with mean score of 10.17. As a continuity of his legacy, a transformational leadership module has been developed to train a group of youngers based on BAS and Avolio model 1994. This experimental research had measured the impact of transformational leadership training based on the 4 I's model from BAS and Avolio 1994 and the impact of follow-up program. Transformational leadership was introduced by Burns 1978. In late 1980 and early 1990s, corporate organizational in the Western countries had started to adopt the transformational leadership to replace the transactional leadership. It was seen as a better approach to be employed. Transformational leadership introduced change toward teamwork, conducive work, environment, and at the same time encourage the team involvement in the decision making. Whereas the transactional leadership focuses on the use of rewards and punishment in order to achieve compliance from the followers. Transactional leaders seeks to maintain the status quo, not aiming for progress. What is the RQ or a research question? This is the following of the RQ for this study. First, what is the impact of the transformational leadership module training towards the subject based on 4 I's element? The second one, what is the impact between group that has attended the follow-up program and control group? This is the RO, research objective, to measure the impact of transformational leadership module training towards the subjects based on 4 I's element. Second one, to measure the impact between the group that has attended the follow-up program and control group. This is the model, 4 dimension of transformational leadership model. The first construct is idealized influence. Second one is inspirational motivation, IM. Third one is individualized consideration, IC. And the fourth one is intellectual stimulation, IS. This one, the methodology, research design. I use the experimental design, pre-test, post-test, and control group. You see, there is 2 groups, Group A and Group B. First, pre-test, all the group from Group A and B answer the questionnaire, multi-factor leadership. After that, Group A and Group B go to training, TL module, transformational leadership module, same module. After that, the post-test one, Group A and Group B answer the questionnaire, same questionnaire like pre-test. After that, the training 2, Group A only join the follow-up program. Meanwhile, Group B is a control group. After the training 2, 2 groups A and B answer the multi-factor leadership questionnaire, same like pre-test and post-test one. This is the finding of the training of the experimental design. The first one, RO1, to measure the impact of transformational leadership module training towards the subjects based on 4 I's element. The result analysis shows that there is no significant impact for transformational leadership module training towards the subject. Table 1, you see the Mankova result for male and female subject between pre-test and post-test 1. What about the RO2? RO2, to measure the impact between the group that has attended the follow-up program and the control group. You see the table 2, MANOVA result for post-test 2 between Group A and Group B. The result analysis shows that there is significant difference between Group A and Group B for all elements except individualized consideration. This shows that follow-up program had impacted positively towards Group A subject. What is the discussion and suggestion? Based on the finding of this research, it is observed that the next generation of leaders can be developed by providing them with transformational leadership training. In addition to the transformational leadership model training impact, that the researcher had observed other beneficial findings during the social audit activity in the Pagoh Parliament, such as, number one, a renowned education and Islamic scholar who has influenced the social fabric in Muar and Pagoh, Johor, was found during the social audit activity. Second one, this renowned scholar is Tuan Guru Haji Muhammad Yassin bin Muhammad. The researcher had developed a transformational leadership model which consists of all 4 I's elements to continuously develop the generation of leaders like Tuan Guru Haji Muhammad Yassin bin Muhammad. The phase 1 research shows that the subjects had increased their transformational leadership level after attending the training, although not significant. The phase 2 research proved that the subjects' transformational leadership level increases significantly after applying transformational leadership on the field as compared to the subject that only attends the transformational leadership training without any follow-up program. So that's all. Thank you very much. Berapa lama?